Okay, what I need to do now is I need to machine the outside profile, and what I have done is I've made myself a little fixture to secure it, where I'm going to bolt through this hole, and that hole there. So if I just go into my layers menu and turn on the jig, you can see here I've got a jig there. If I just blank off this component, so if I blank and select OK, there you can see I've got a fixture that I've made that I can put in the vise. I've got the tap holes here and here, and I've got two spigots to locate the component there, and this is just an hole I put in that I can just clock up and call it my X and Y datum. It's just a tooling hole basically. So if I unblank the component, okay, and we're going to the cam tree, and the operation we're going to do now is this operation here. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll just unblank it, and you can see it's adaptive roughing. It needs to I've got where I'm coming around the feature where I'm milling around this, pocketing it out, and then going around the profile finish as well. If I just blank the toolpath, you'll also notice on here I have my stock as a dotted line, which allows me to tell it that it needs to come outside of the material in the adaptive roughing. So I've got a profile and this outside profile. So let's just edit the feature. Edit. You can see here I've got my rapid 5, plunge 2, my feed plane 2. The top of the feature is 0, and I'm going down 20.5. You can see here I've got the contour and also the outside contour, which is dotted. Remember, making that dotted tells the software you can come out of that boundary there. Select next. We're going to do some pocketing and then a profile finish. Next, I'm using work offset 1, which is G54. I've got the 16mm cutter coming in, 20mm flute length. I've got some speeds and feeds set up there. I'm going to use adaptive. This time I'm using this type of advanced pocketing, where we've told it it's coming out of the dotted line. We've got a 10%. Next, I'm going to leave 0.5 milli and take it full depth of cut. Next, we can plunge because we're plunging outside of the job. Next, closest, and then I'm telling it to come around the profile, finishing it with a 16mm cutter. Next, left, machine compensation off. Next, I'm leaving nothing on the side allowance. Next, I want you to ramp in, circular in and circular out. Next, the sharp corners. Next, and I'm not going to compute it because I've already computed it. So if I just press cancel and we go in there, right click, and I'll just put the back plot on. So you can see it's coming out when it's roughing around here, and then when it's roughed it all out, it'll come in and machine around the profile. But this is just a little jig that I made to put it onto the machine. So we'll run the video and you'll be able to see it.